I'm going to show you how to set a GIF as your Gmail profile picture. Start by opening your File Explorer or Finder and going to the folder where you saved the GIF. Right-click the file and choose Properties on Windows, or Get Info on a Mac. On a Mac, you might have to expand the More Info section to see the dimensions. On Windows, the Details tab shows the same numbers. You want both numbers to be at least 250 pixels, and the file should be square. Do not skip this check. If the GIF is smaller than 250 pixels, Gmail will accept it, but the result will be soft and blocky at normal avatar size. If the width and height are different, don't upload it yet. Gmail crops from the center, and a rectangular file will look off-center. I keep my GIFs under 5 megabytes because a huge file takes longer to load every time someone opens your profile. Mine is 400 by 400, and the main action is centered, so I'm ready to upload. Now leave that file where you can find it. Open your browser and type myaccount.google.com in the address bar. Press Enter. If you land on a sign-in screen, enter your email and password and continue. If you use two-step verification, have your phone ready for the prompt. I'm already signed in, so the Google account page loads. If you manage more than one Google account, click the avatar in the top right first. A small pop-up shows which address is active. If it's the wrong one, switch before going any further, because profile photos are per account. Click Personal Info in the left sidebar. The main panel shows your current profile picture at the top. Click that picture, a box opens with your current photo, and an option to change it. Click the Change or Add Profile Picture button. Some accounts call it Change, others say Add Profile Picture. It's the same button. The Profile Picture dialog appears. Choose from Computer. I would not use Google Photos here unless your GIF is already backed up there, because it adds an extra sync step. Click Upload from Computer, the file picker opens. The Upload from Computer button opens a native file dialog. On Windows, that's the standard File Explorer window, and on a Mac, it's Finder. The file picker shows a static thumbnail, which is fine. Find the GIF you checked earlier, select it, and click Open. Google now shows the cropping screen. You'll see a circular crop area over your GIF. The preview looks like a still frame, and that is normal. The uploader does not play the animation in this window. That's the part that confuses most people. If the focus of your GIF isn't centered, grab the image and drag it until it sits inside the circle. You can also use the corner handles to zoom in or out. Keep the important action in the middle, because the outer edges get cut off when other people view it. If the preview shows your GIF stretched or with black bars, the file isn't truly square. Go back and re-export it as a square before saving, because Gmail will not fix the proportions. Mine needs the whole square, so I leave it as is. Click Save as Profile Photo. The button is in the bottom right. Google processes the file. Give it a few seconds. Don't close the tab while the spinner is running. When the spinner disappears, the dialog closes on its own. That's the only confirmation you get. Back on the personal info page, the new image appears. It still looks static here, but the animation is saved to your account. Let's verify it inside Gmail. Open Gmail in the same browser. Once your inbox loads, your new profile picture appears in the top right. Depending on file size, the animation may take a few seconds to kick in. It won't animate in every corner of Gmail, but the main profile photo is set. Open a new message and hover over the avatar in the top right. If it still looks static after a minute, force a hard refresh with Ctrl-Shift-R on Windows or Command-Shift-R on a Mac. If it still won't move, the file was probably too small or not a true GIF. Re-upload a 250 by 250 or larger file, and make sure the extension is .gif. That fixes it every time. If you want to swap it later, don't go through Gmail settings. From Gmail, click your avatar in the top right, choose Manage your Google account, and then click the profile picture on that page. Same path, but faster than typing the account URL each time. If this worked, hit the like button and subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments push this to other people looking for the same thing.